Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today it's time to color in our savings challenges. We finished some last time. We deposit, we paid off stuff. Now it's time to bring out a new savings challenge. So let's see what that one is. Stay tuned. Hey friend, hey, welcome to or welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Thank you guys for showing up today. I'm going to be bringing out a new savings challenge that I want to start doing. But before that, I want to show you guys what I did. Super proud of myself. Look what I did. So once we start getting all of our stuff paid off and then we basically have like set bills, I'm going to start my bill binder. But before that, I'm going to start a month ahead. I'm just trying to get to the point where I can start putting things to the month ahead. And that's why we're going to be starting this new challenge to go towards my month ahead. But yeah, look at this. I was like, okay. I mean, it's some imperfections, of course, but I'm just trying it out. I'm not selling them or anything. It's just for me. But anywho, this is what I did. And then one more thing, y'all. I made a cup. And I sent it to Jay the Dragon. As it says stay calm, it's Jay the Dragon. So yeah, I made a cup, y'all. Super cool. Just I made this is a Stay Calm and Budget, my little logo. But anywho, I thought that was pretty cool, you know, getting into just crafting. All right, that's enough of that. Moving on to why you guys are here. Yeah, so let's get to color. I didn't even take out none of my coloring utensils, but we gonna make it work. Okay, so for Christmas this go round, we are going to be putting away what I put for Christmas. Oh, I asked Siri, and Siri was just on some high number type of stuff this go round. She gave me 90. So let's flip to Christmas. It's in here somewhere, right? There it is. Let's flip to Christmas and we're going to do, we're not going to color first. Slow down, stay calm. We're going to take out the $90 and then we're going to color. So we're going to color the old Christmas tree, cause Siri picked you, Christmas tree. All right. Color all out the lines. Everything you see out the lines, we're just gonna count that as like extra leaves coming out the Christmas tree. All right, let's see what we have in Christmas. I noticed that when I go back and edit my videos, you know, I stop at a certain amount of time and then I start again. And every time I start again, I use the word okay or all right. It's like a transition word. So I need to find a synonym. Let me go get a thesaurus or something and find what is a synonym for okay or all right. I don't know why I did a different voice when I said that, but whatever's. All right, let's make sure that, okay. Now we can count. So Christmas, so far we have 150, 1, so 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, $36. So $336. Can I put this in correctly? Maybe. Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, our next one is emergency fund. And again, I asked Siri and Siri was like 60. So, and what I did with this one, when I asked Siri, I just counted. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, and I asked her to pick a number between however many were blank and she chose 60. So we are going to do, it was actually this 60, but we have a couple of 60s. So I'm just going to color this one up here because I want to. And again, I colored before I took out the money. But it's okay, right? Okay. Still not in the lines, but it will be all right. We'll go to emergency fund. Let's take out this minty and put in the $60. So at the moment, our emergency fund has 1, 50, 2, 50, 3, 50, so 350, 70, 90, 410, 430, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500. Oh crap, we got 20s in here. Okay, whatever. So we got 500. I'm just gonna move this. 520, 540, 560, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Really? 90. Let me start all over, because yeah, I don't know. I thought they were all in order, y'all. My bad. I still could have kept going. I think it's like $600 and something, but knowing me and my counting, ain't gonna trust it. Ain't gonna. All right. 1, 50, 2, 50, 3, 50. So that's 250, 350. Oh, see what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 350. See what I mean? 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 585, 590, 595, 600, 605, 605, 610, 615. So I was right. It was in the 600. So 615 is what we have for emergency fund. That is a shame. Nope, it's not a shame. It's a damn shame. Okay, let's move on to our next. All right, ladies and gents, this is no coloring in here. So like I explained in my budget with me, when I watched Jasmine from Baddies and Budgets, she had already did week 3 and week 4, so I just scratched off both. I wasn't too sure about the heart, so I just put a heart up here. I guess that was a skip a week, not sure, but I scratched off week 4 and I got $5, so we're gonna put the $5 in our Save with Baddies envelope. And once we're done with this, this is gonna go to the month ahead too. So right now we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, $23. Save the bad. Save the baddie. Lord have mercy. Save with baddie. All right, let's move on to our next one. Okay, see, there I go with that transition. Okay, because I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna bring out the Baddies Savings Challenge book because I want to do this one before we do the 100 envelope challenge. And the new one is actually going to be the 50 envelope challenge. So I don't have different envelopes for this. So what I use the naked envelope for when we did the $300 in 28 days, we're just going to use that envelope for that. I wanted to do $20 for this, and I'm going to color in $5. So 4 of the $5. And I want to do purple because that's my favorite color. And I'm not gonna color in the whole thing. I'm just gonna color in just the little hearts. And I'll make sure that I'm really nice when I do it because I don't color in the lines with everything else. And it don't look like I'm gonna color in the lines with this one either. It's okay. I guess I'm just an out of the line person. If I had drums that go so corny, right? Okay. Oh, that sound like Mr. Garrison from South Park. Okay. All right, so here's my 4. That's pretty. I like it. Okay, so we're doing 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $20, 5, 10, 15, and 20. That's going into our naked envelope. Bucket naked. Oh, was it already open? Sure was. Here we go, Cheerio. So this is our awesome challenge book. I should look into getting it. All right, now it's the 100 envelope challenge. Okay, so for this one, it was a combination of asking my kids and asking just people in general some numbers. So I already picked 22 because I know that my middle child was going to pick this one, and 97, of course, the wife picked the largest number. I was on the phone with my friend and she was like 28, so I just picked 28 for her. 75 my oldest picked, and so I just picked 33 for the baby. So these are the numbers that we're going to be stuffing today. I'm going to fast forward as I pull it out and color it. So hold on, be right back. Okay, so we colored all of these: 22, 28, 33, 97, and 75. And like I said, I still had this $100 left over for from the groceries. What I'm gonna do, because I put $100 in all of these down here, I'm going to take out my little envelope container and I'm gonna grab 94 and $94 is going to go in this envelope if I turn around. So we get to do one more 100. Don't mind me, I'm gonna go back. I promise I go back and fix my coloring so it can look all prettified and stiff. But so we only have one more 100 to put down here. Whoop de whoop de whoop de whoop. Alrighty, so that's that with that. I do have money left over, and this money, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to go back into the bank, and I'm going to put this to a credit card payment. So $600 going to a credit card payment. Yay. So that goes back into the bank. I still didn't go get that dollar from my wife, but I'll grab it from her. Trust and believe. So you know what that means? We're bringing out the BAJ. All right, look y'all, look what I did. I finally put something on there, right? I hope I don't get in trouble for putting this one up here. So let's just cover that. All right, so let's open this and put the dollars in there. Can't wait to count this. It's going to be so amazing to count. Alrighty. So again, like I said before in all my other videos, thank you guys for rocking with me to the end of this video. Please do all the things like I said in the beginning: like, share, subscribe, comment, all the things, please and thank you. Until next time, I love you guys. If I can do this, you can do it too. Start small and watch them grow. Plant that seed, water it, and you're gonna come out a beautiful flower. Anyway, thank you. Till next time, I love you guys. Bye.